Hi, this is Madison with the Sensory Path, and I'm going to teach you how to install our lily pads. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut everything apart. This is one of my favorite ways to lay out the lily pads, but feel free to adjust them how you like. We also provide a suggested layout if you need guidance. Next, I'm going to peel away my backing to take my image off. I'm sticking the bottom of the lily pad down first, then using my squeegee to apply firm pressure while moving upward. A pro tip for the lily pads are to make sure that number is straight up and down and not crooked before applying. It's also easier to apply the lily pad the opposite side of the Pac-Man versus using the Pac-Man side. And that's it. More tutorials coming soon.